Hello my friends! How are you today? I am very happy and today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Let's go! Hey students, what is this? This is a cow. This is a puppy cow. Essa daqui é uma vaca filhote, é um bezerro, ok? And what colors do you see in this cow? I see black and white. Hey students, what is it? It is a cow. Repeat. It is a cow. Very good. And is this cow small or big? This cow is big. So repeat. The cow is big. And now, let's get milk from the cow. And now, let's drink the cow milk. Yum, 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 very delicious. Hey students, what is it? It is a pony. Repeat. Pony. Very good. It's like a small horse. Okay, now let's ride the pony. Oh!